Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Musa from Sibling World. Today, if you know what these two means, today we're going to be making a muffin, but it's not like any muffin, it's like a pumpkin muffin. It's for you people who loves pumpkin. And well, if you thought pumpkins and muffins cannot go together, you're gonna be surprised. Your mind's gonna be blown. Let's get on with the ingredients. So first we have 1 cup of pumpkin puree. Then we have 2 cups of flour. Then we have 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Then we have 3/4 cup of confectionery sugar. Then we have 2 eggs. And we also have 1/2 cup of oil. Then we have 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then we have 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And we have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Here's all the steps. So first, let's begin with our dry ingredients. Since we have all of these ingredients, we need a big bowl. So yeah. Actually, let's start with our flour. So now for the flour, we need a strainer so we can sift it through. Then we have our baking powder. And now we have to sift. Then we're gonna add our brown sugar. And then, of course, the confectionery sugar. After that, I'm just gonna add the cinnamon. And that's it for our dry ingredients. Now we're just going to mix properly. So now we're done with our mixing. So now we're just going to add the rest of our ingredients, which is the wet ingredients. Let's get on with the step. First, we have our 1/2 cup of oil. Then we have our really fresh aroma vanilla essence. Next, we have our pumpkin puree. And now we put our 2 eggs inside. Now it's our folding time. So I'm just gonna fold in all of our ingredients. Now it's done. Now let's get on with the transferring this to our cupcake wrappers. These cupcake wrapper look so cool. Here, I'll show you the other one. So now I put this in a piping bag and I'm gonna put it inside here. So now I'm done putting all the mixture in the wrappers. Now I'm just gonna tap it. I'm doing this just so this can even out. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven. Now I'm gonna put this in the oven in the oven for 5 minutes for 425 degrees. Then I'm going to just bring down the temperature to 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Let's get on with the step. Now we're done with this pumpkin muffin. So now you can just serve them like this, like no toppings, or you can use toppings like confectionery sugar, like I'm going to show you like right now. Let's get on with the step. This is the final result of the decorated pumpkin muffins. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and turn the notification bell for more, and comment if you liked this video, and also click one of the videos at the end, like over here. So goodbye.